Good morning to all. Let's proceed further in this particular video presentation wherein I would be showcasing to you as to how to go ahead and log into the or utilize the Colab so that you can go ahead and start performing even the factor analysis. Now, first of all, each one of you should have your Google ID create it in case you do not possess one, and the moment you go you can see these kind of icons which are there. I mean this particular dotted line which you can see, which the moment you click on it you can see that it is saying Google Apps. Just click on that and go ahead and select the identify where the drive is there for this particular one and click on it. The moment you click, you would see that you would come to the area where the drive is there. What you can do, you click on new. The moment you are able to click that, now just wait. Now here again you cannot see anywhere. Usually if you are not using any one of these items, you can go ahead and you can have a look at where Google Collaboratory is there. Now this is the one, CO Google Collaboratory. Just go ahead, click on that, and you will see it will take you to a new page where it says Collab, research google.com, create, and this is how you would come over to the place which is the environment in your drive where you would be working on the Python. So you can see here at the top untitled 1.ipynb which is written, which means that this is meant for your Python environment, that is the Python notebook. So you can go ahead and you can start creating the Python, not creating, basically start writing or scripting the Python code so that you can proceed further with the factor analysis. Now first and foremost that you need to understand is basically what are the various packages that I have got present for me so that I can go ahead and start working in the Python environment. Now in my last presentation I did showcase to you as to you do require what I call it as the libraries as well as the packages that you need. So here you can have a look at it and you can see that yes, these are the ones that you require it. Now have a quick look at it so that you can understand. Import required libraries. This is the step. First and foremost, there are certain things that you need to understand about the packages as well as the libraries which are necessary to perform either factor analysis or I would say regression, principal component analysis or principal component regression. And going forward you would see I would be going ahead with regression and PLS SEM also using Python programming. Okay, and there is so much that you can understand and you can learn that it really helped me to understand certain things and the concepts which are there. And it's not just the concept, however, going deep with the numbers so that you can understand what exactly is taking place and how to go ahead and take care. However, right now I'm just focusing only on factor analysis, so I'm not going step by step. Okay, let me go ahead and make you understand that also. Now whenever we need to install any of the library or packages, okay, we will have to use this exclamatory sign pip, which is a pipe for installing it. Otherwise the library or the package will not be working for you. So the first step that I have taken care in Colab is exclamatory pip install factor analyzer, so that it helps me to go ahead and analyze the factors which we will see down the line. Import pandas. I have already explained that pandas are nothing but this is again I would say a library wherein you are able to work on the panel data sets basically, and it is going to be imported as PD from sklearn.dataset. So sklearn is one form of the Python thing that is available for us, wherein we can go ahead and we can do this particular analysis. So I'm using basically sklearn so that I can perform the factor analysis. Import load iris. Now you see, either you can import the data sets directly which are available to us online, or you can upload your own data set. Now I'll be working on some other data set, so I'll be showcasing to you that one. And this one they're saying is that import this particular iris data set from factor analyzer. So the moment you install factor analyzer, you will see that factor analyzer has sub libraries and the packages within it, and one of them is load iris. Import, once you install it, you need to import it, and that is what basically factor analyzer. Import matplotlib, because we would be going ahead and looking at the visualizations like scree-plot or scatterplot is also there. Then the graphs, bar graphs, or because we'll be working with both metric as well as the non-metric data later on. So visualizations becomes much more better if we are using matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay, so these are the ones that you would be taking care of it. So let me just copy as it is, because I'm not going to deviate from these things, and go back to the Colab so that we can start analyzing as well as check out as to how to proceed further with each one of these steps also. So keep watching for the next video, wherein I will copy paste these things as it is into Colab, run them, and we will go very slowly so that there are no errors, and if there is an error, then how to debug it also side by side. So let me proceed further. So keep watching for more. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.